Pictures from SFO, which is now the first airport in the country to require all employees get vaccinated. KPIX5's Devin Fehely is live at SFO. And Devin, I understand that this new policy affects about 50,000 employees.
Yeah, just over 46,000 employees at this point. Now, the vaccine mandate applies to all employees here at the airport that are connected to the airport. Right now, it does not apply to the traveling public, to passengers, at least for now. But a spokesperson says he believes that eventually other airports across the country are going to follow SFO's lead.
From ticket agents to janitors to pilots and flight attendants, anyone who works at SFO in any capacity must now be vaccinated.
Each company needs to report to the airport the status of their workforce, how many people are vaccinated, whether or not they've granted any exceptions. And for those that were granted exceptions, those companies are required to have those employees test on a weekly basis.
SFO joins a growing list of companies and government agencies requiring that employees get vaccinated, a strategy aimed at getting the hesitant and the holdouts their shot.
We got to win over the virus, and vaccination seems to be the way to do it. I got my vaccine, didn't hurt.
Other passengers, however, wonder if there was really a need to resort to mandates if other measures like masks and weekly tests also work to prevent infection.
I just think, what about those people who have valid health concerns about the vaccinations? Do you not allow them entry into places?
With a nearly 80% vaccination rate in San Francisco, airport officials are not expecting any significant pushback to the new requirement, which, to be clear, only applies to employees and not passengers.
We're really focused on what we have the power to enforce. And when it comes to our airport, we can only mandate it for the people that work here.
But Devin, obviously people can't get vaccinated overnight, so how does this work since the policy will take effect immediately?
Well, step one is for all of the companies connected to the airport to survey their employees to figure out who's vaccinated, who's unvaccinated, who's applied or perhaps been granted a medical or religious exemption. Now, those companies have to file monthly reports with the airport. The first one is due on October the 1st, so that gives those companies and their employees some time to come into compliance with this new rule.
All right. Makes sense. Devin Fehely, thank you for that.